If you think I'm here to play around with y'all, God damn it, I'm not.
All right, Mr. O'Neill, please stop using swearing language. It's not appropriate in a closing argument.
You already know what it is. It's your boy Laid Back with another reaction, another review, another episode. Hey, TikTok, you up to bat? Bah! It's your boy Laid Back. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, two things we got to do. You got to hit that subscribe button. I'm drinking this water. You already know what it is, man. Think rich in 2026. Think rich in 2026. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Stay up to date with all the videos. Make sure you hit the like button, man. Also, too, make sure you tap into my TikTok, man. Hey, I'm telling you, it's crazy. It's lit. It's growing. It's a lot of the squad over there. Make sure you tap in. The link will be in the pinned comment. Super fire. Great vibes over there. All right, squad. So we got crazy court moments. This is probably gonna be very interesting. You make it to the end of this one, you a real one for real. Make sure you put that in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button. But let's go ahead and get into it. Fire squad, what's popping? Let's get it.
May it please the court. I come here today a humble pro se before a panel of 5 distinguished justices.
Is this, hold on. Is that counsel for the case?
Hey, y'all lawyer?
I generated that.
I'm sorry?
I generated that. That is not a real person.
Obviously.
Okay, it would have been nice to know that when you made your application. You did not tell me that, sir. I received the application. And you have appeared before this court and been able to testify verbally in the past. You have gone to my clerk's office and held verbal conversations with our staff for over 30 minutes. Okay?
Oh,
I don't appreciate being misled. So either you are suffering from an ailment that prevents you from being able to articulate, or you don't. You are not going to use this courtroom as a launch for your business, sir. So if you are able to shut that off. If you want to have oral argument time, you may stand up and give it to me.
Whoa, that sounds crazy. That sound oral time, stand up.
Why are you suing your father for $50,000?
Because I don't have any money to my name. He's loaded, right? Him and my mom are loaded.
Okay.
And if they want me out of the house, they're gonna have to help me out a little bit. So I figured I'll leave the house, but you gotta give me at least 50 G's so I can go out and get a place to stay.
You're 45 years old.
Yes, sir.
In the last 25 years, he's never held a job for more than a few hours. I want him evicted from the house. I want him to have responsibility for his own life.
He shows me no love. He doesn't buy me anything I want.
He sits
How
on
old
the
is he?
couch and eats potato chips and plays video
I wanted a new
games.
Xbox and he wouldn't even buy it for me.
Xbox.
So your love is gauged with materialistic stuff.
Yes, it is. That's how the world works.
Whoa.
Where do you have the audacity to sit there and drag your parents into court and say, give me money? He should be offering you a damn thing. Your counter for $50,000, you are not going to be granted that. The eviction notice, once it comes, you will be granted the eviction. The Mango Park Police Department will help drag him out of the house along with his stuff.
I'm not going nowhere.
This case is adjourned.
He said they gonna drag his ass 50 racks? Oh, man.
Mr. Redden, have you been given a copy of the criminal complaint this morning?
Yes, I have been given one.
You're being charged with count 1, attempt murder, victim 60 years of age or older, a felony. Count 2, battery on a protected person resulting in substantial bodily harm, victim 60 years of age or older, a felony. Count 3, extortion by threat, a felony. Count 4, intimidating a public officer, a felony. Count 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all battery on an officer, the same name victim. Oh, and by the way, I do not know any of the other victims named in the criminal complaint. Those are all felony offenses. Count 10, performance of act or neglect of duty and willful or wanton disregard of safety or persons of property resulting in substantial bodily harm or death, a felony. Battery on a protected person, count 11, that's a gross misdemeanor offense. Count 12, battery by a prisoner, a felony. Count 13, unlawful act related to human excrement or bodily fluid, a felony. All allegedly occurring on January 3rd of 2024. Do you understand these charges?
Yes, I understand. Bro, how many years was that? How many years?
Okay, let's ask a couple more questions. Mr. Abrams, what are the pills that you just took?
Object to form.
None of your business.
Whoa.
None of privilege.
What are those other pills?
Object to form, object to privilege.
None of your business. But I can tell you that if you took some of these, they would help get some of your weight off. I can tell you that.
Oh, you're referring to when you called me fat when you walked in here.
Object to form.
If you want to raise your weight problem, Mr. Ward, with the jury and with the special master, please do. But we're not the ones that are sitting here in that condition.
Oh, shit.
I am going to end this deposition now.
Okay.
Mr. Abrams, we're going to continue it while we seek intervention of the special master.
Right.
It's clear that you are not here to answer any questions today. We are going to move for sanctions against you and your firm for your conduct during this deposition, and we will take that up with the special master.
And we'll represent your conduct during this deposition.
Please do.
After reviewing the transcripts from the deposition, the special master issued an order for sanctions against Abram. His behavior during the deposition, along with other misconduct in the case, would ultimately earn Abrams a 9-month license suspension.
You have no evidence. Put something in front of me and we'll answer the question.
Do your own research. This is going to be crazy.
Now, hey, I'm talking.
Okay, my apologies, Miss Girl.
Miss Girl?
Miss who?
She's not a girl. It's Miss Toller.
It's Judge Toller. Be quiet. I have a question.
You hit him. This is damage to the front end of your car, which hit his car in the rear. Your car hit his car. I mean, you don't have to be a genius to figure that out. Believe me, I'm not a genius. This is the front of your car. Close your mouth, so just say yes or no. This is the front of your car.
That's the front of my car, yes,
The front of your car hit the back of his car.
Are you Chinese?
What?
Who says I'm Chinese, Senator? You are Chinese. What the? You sound Chinese. No, I don't.
That's AI.
Are you Chinese? Are you British?
Thank you, boo-boo, thank you. And I got my money, boo-boo. Now tell your husband that. Tell your husband that. Boo. Thank you. And still bought another car after that. Thank you. Bye-bye, Boo Boo the Kitty. Back to the D you go. She was all on Facebook talking about I'm about to get this money. No, you're not.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Are you willing to do whatever it takes to stay with her?
No.
Are you currently working?
I'm in jail.
Ms. Howard, what are you thinking?
She lied, and I should have known better when I seen her hair. I should have left.
Oh, shit.
Are not her father.
What happened?
The condom in my heart, you feel my child.
Miss Ewing, do you know who her father is?
Yeah, I do.
And it's
His brother.
Mr. Hawkins' brother?
Said you believe she was sleeping with...
She slept around with everybody in our neighborhood. If that was true, I would have slept with her husband because he wanted me to.
Oh, Lord.
Mr. Charles, when was the last time that you were intimate with Miss Jackson?
Last night.
This morning.
Look at her.
Miss Jackson.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
Miss Jackson? Are you currently working?
I'm in jail.
What is 372?
Numbers.
Why did you shrug your shoulder?
Cut in my shoulders.
Do you have hair on your head when you take this picture?
What?
What you
When you
trying?
took the picture.
It looked like I got hair on my head.
Okay. How long ago have you been bald?
What? Look.
Do you have children?
You know that.
Okay. I do, but the jury doesn't. Do you have children?
Yep.
All right. How many?
More than one.
All right. Do you have more than 3?
I might. Ain't no telling.
Okay. When you say cool, what do you mean?
COOL.
I didn't ask you to spell it. I asked you what you mean.
Whoa.
For Echo Hotel and 168 Echo
You bet.
She backed all the way back.
Do you want some water?
You gonna give me a drink?
3 parking tickets at the same location, Allen's Avenue and Terminal Street.
3 parking tickets?
No, 3 violations.
Oh, okay.
3 red light violations on Allen's Avenue and Terminal Street. We're going to look at the...
No, I don't need to look at it because
But-
everybody else you looked at, they was guilty, so I don't want to see it. I don't want to see that
She said, I don't want to see that shit.
shit. Take your plea.
She said, I don't want to see that shit.
I'm wasting your time. I'm not even going to bother.
I'm trying to help you, so we're going to look at Allen's Avenue and Terminal Street.
I don't want to see that.
Well, you're going to see it.
Dang, she went straight through the light. Straight through the light again.
So far, in both of these cases that I just looked at, you were past the first stop line. So these 2 are going to get dismissed, and we're going to look at the 3rd one now.
Okay.
You still don't want to see it?
No, I want to see them all now. Now I want to see everybody.
You want to see everything, right?
Wife, we've been together for 44 years.
44 years?
44 years.
How many years you been happily married?
44 years.
2?
She's lost it. She doesn't know.
How did you guys meet?
We was out dancing. We was out at the club one night, and I saw
He
her.
was out in the club one night. I was just visiting a friend.
She was just sitting there like I said, I think I like that. And so I just approached her, and it's history.
Your Honor, he's not telling the truth.
Tell them the truth, then.
This is the first time I've been to a club, Your Honor. And I saw him standing up, but he looks very nice. He was clean, his hair was nice. So I look at him. So I look at him once and I look at him again, and that was it.
Hey.
Right?
No, that's not right.
He's the man, Your Honor, whatever he says.
What's the secret to a long marriage?
He's always agreeing on what I do.
He
Or
agrees.
what I say. Whatever I say, he says, okay, baby.
What's the secret to a long marriage?
She just told you.
Well, you have 2 others that are over 31. I'm going to charge you on 1, so it's going to cost you a total of $50.
Okay.
Now, can you afford to pay that today?
No, I can't, sir.
Yes, I will pay that, Your Honor.
Okay, baby.
Okay, baby. Okay, baby.
Yes, sir. Okay.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
my wonderful husband. I got the ticket. He was driving my car. I'm not guilty. He is.
Oh.
So the first thing you did was throw him under the bus.
I'm not throwing myself under.
You go through this every day?
Yes, Your Honor.
We've been happily married for 43 years.
Happily.
Right?
Yes, dear.
What's up with these women? They not playing. Right?
Here's the deal. You're the judge, and the statute that set up this offense, right, allows 0.2 of a second to get through the light, and they don't charge you. How do you handle this case? It's 0.3 of a second. Do you give him the benefit of the doubt, right, or do you say, hey, you 0.3, pay the fine?
Pay the fine.
I'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
Because it's your
And
husband.
he has to take me to dinner.
Oh.
That's the deal.
Well,
I have to agree with her, Your Honor.
I can charge her $50 or I can charge her nothing. What should I charge her?
$50.
50, okay.
Wow.
She's a tough judge.
It's a common core, Josh.
I'm going to ask you a question. Would it be okay with you if I charged her nothing?
No.
No.
This is not helping me.
In other words, you think she should pay, right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to shatter her opinion of the judiciary.
Maybe I can explain to her that if mommy keep the money on her pocket, she can get a toy.
Okay, I'm going to have your mommy talk to you and then...
Zero, nothing, you know.
All right, should I charge her nothing or should I charge her 20?
20.
20. You know what,
This
Your
is
Honor?
not helping.
She is the good one. She didn't fall for that bribe.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
What is your point?
Are you telling me or chastising me for using a privileged motion? Is you fussing me out for using a privileged motion? Is that what you call yourself doing? What did you just say? What did you say? You're not going to allow me to do what? I mean, you laughing. I'm trying to hear what you're saying.
Okay, I think that you can hear me just fine, but for the record, I said I will not allow you to gaslight this community.
Gaslight?
Yes, sir. I suggest you look it up. We will continue with this appeal.
We'll deal with this after the appeal. Watch yourself.
As a reminder on the appeal.
Because I can use adjectives.
Excuse me, Mr. Mays, you are out of order.
When you dog me out and interrupt me and tell me I'm a gaslighter, I'm thinking that's some type of arsonist. When I talk back to you, because I didn't call you no name or use no adjective, but I'm going to look up some, and I'm going to remind you of what you called me sitting in that chair. Yeah, when you talk about me, you talk about folks. Gaslighting. Don't use no more adjectives for me. You can shake your head all you want. You can turn red all you want. Leave me alone. And how dare you talk to me like that? You don't know me.
Oh, snap.
Talking about you gaslight. Who are you to judge me?
The judge?
Me with some adjectives, but you had decorum. When you sit in that seat, you're high to a high level of standards and decorum. I can talk about you till the cows come home. How dare you? You don't know me. You didn't know my daddy, you didn't know my mama, and you don't know me. I don't even hardly talk to you.
Point of order.
What's your point?
What's your point?
Mr. Mays stated that it's about to get funky in here, and I don't know what he's referring to.
Point of information.
What's your point?
Do you want me to tell you? Gaslighting and adjectives, it's finna get funky in here because I'm finna use a bunch of adjectives.
Okay.
I'm sitting here burnt to a crisp, and you think it's funny. You think it's cavalier. You wasted all that time to get 2 votes, and you talking about me gaslighting something. I don't like the adjectives. Gaslighting. Those are catchwords to call me a fool or to say something about somebody black if you sit up in that seat. I ain't buying it. I don't appreciate it.
What?
I got a son older than you. Who do you think you disrespecting talking about gaslighting?
He said because I'm black. Oh, my God.
If you think I'm here to play around with y'all, God damn it, I'm not.
All right, Mr. O'Neill, please stop using swearing language. It's not appropriate in a closing argument.
He turned up.
Now he played a recording that was sped up. Why didn't you play the regular recording that people can understand what the call was saying?
Objection to the defendant asking me questions, Your Honor.
I'm going to sustain.
I'm talking to people.
Mr. O'Neill, listen, please just keep in mind this is not personal towards the prosecutors. Please keep your comments directed towards the evidence and the law. Thank you.
All these objections now. I know for a fact Kenyatta Barron's recording from her phone did not record calls sped up like that.
I'm going to object now. He's talking about facts, not in evidence of what he knows.
Felony murder, I sentence you to life without the possibility of parole. Count 2, violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act, I sentence you to 20 years consecutive.
He's just looking at his lawyer.
Count 3, violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act, I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 2. Count 10, hijacking a motor vehicle, I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 3.
He like, yo, what did I pay you for?
Violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act. I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 10. Count 12, violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act. I sentence you to 20 years consecutive to count 11.
For how many years is that?
I be looking at my lawyer too like that.
Of a firearm during the commission of a felony. I sentence you to 5 years consecutive to count 12.
Wow.
Like, what did you
Count
do?
14, violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act.
He's
I
not
sentence
ugly,
you to
though.
20 years consecutive to count 13. Count 15, violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act.
He
I
keep
sentence you
looking.
to 20 years consecutive to count 4.
Bruh never getting out. He's never getting out. It's over, bro. It's over, man. Your lawyer ain't do nothing for you. Like, I could have represented myself for all that. I'm just saying, like, I feel his pain. You know what I mean? That's why, you know what I mean? Gotta stay about them streets, though. Real talk.
Definitely stay up out them streets, man. Definitely.
You were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there?
It's my question to you, sir.
No, I wasn't drinking that heavily.
You poured yourself a mega pint of red wine.
Mega pint?
Correct?
A mega pint.
The hell is a mega pint?
I poured myself a large glass of wine.
Right.
I thought it necessary. I'm so pathetic when it comes to knowing what movies I've done. I'm sorry. I just, I don't watch them. I feel better not watching them. What was the question again?
How many?
October is 2 months before December. That's correct.
You wouldn't come back to the Pirates franchise for $300 million and a million alpacas. Do you remember that?
I do.
What? Mr. Depp, do you recognize this document?
As soon as my eyes go on, I hopefully will. Oh, there it goes.
I don't know what the hell was going on in there.
Separate.
Okay, but it wasn't 3 separate.
I know,
Let's go
but-
with what happened in the case.
But honey, oh my God, I'm sorry, Your Honor. That I don't know what to say to that. I apologize.
Okay, go ahead.
The question here is what happened. I'm sorry, I've just been totally
messed
thrown
up.
by
Yeah, I
my
can
mistake.
imagine. I can imagine. I'm a little thrown by that also, if I'm being honest.
Your Honor, I don't know what to say. It's just a.
Okay, well, go ahead. You've only got 1 minute and 7 seconds left.
He can't even
The
finish.
question here.
He couldn't even finish. He couldn't even finish. He said, honey.
This is not right. Look, they got to be more careful down there. I mean, this guy now, he spent 38 hours in jail. I wouldn't want to spend 38 seconds in jail, let alone 38 hours. You got printed the other day at Woodhaven?
Yes, I did, Your Honor, because you told me to.
Right.
Yep. And I didn't know I had a tether violation, and they arrested me. And also, I need to pay a ticket
Slow
today.
down. Slow down.
Sorry.
Slow down. Let your lawyer speak.
I see a warrant. I see he was picked up on a warrant while being fingerprinted out of the Third Circuit in Wayne County.
Do you have is there a deputy right there?
Yeah.
Deputy, can you come back up here, please, and state and spell your name for me?
My name is Officer Marquise Rigel, Marquis. Last name Rigel, Ridgell.
Thank you. Mr. Elliott was picked up on a tether violation, it says, on the 4th. For the life of me, I cannot figure out what the tether violation is. I read this report here, and it says that he was over there lurking at the police department.
He's being fingerprinted.
I noticed the above subject tracing the location of the Woodhaven Police Department. I contacted Woodhaven Police, did verify subject was there. A detainer was emailed. I was notified the subject was at Woodhaven Police to be fingerprinted. A Third Circuit warrant was found and the subject was put into EMU writ status. So this has nothing to do with him. Him being in custody right now has nothing to do with a tether violation. Is that true or false?
I'll have to look, sir. Hold on.
Hold on.
I don't see any reference in there about a tether violation.
Well, it says it in here there was. I mean, implicitly they say it, but I don't see where there was one. I didn't order him not to go back to the Woodhaven Police Department. I think he was picked up on another warrant.
There is reason to believe, and I'm going to state it, not my client. And Mr. Elliott, I don't want you to say anything because you haven't pled guilty to anything and you're presumed innocent. I have reason to believe that maybe there was a battery not charged when he was at home. That may be an issue.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
According to the system, it says he's here for malicious destruction and 2 counts of domestic violence. Now, about that report or being a violation of his tether,
that's crazy.
I would have to even read the report myself, sir. I didn't write the report.
Can I speak?
You're just, Elliot, I want to make sure you don't say anything that incriminates you because you haven't pled guilty to anything.
I know I've been told 4 different things that it is. Like, I don't know what I'm
That's fine. What is it that you're being told?
I'm being told from the sheriffs that picked me up from the Woodhaven Police Department, it was a tether violation. Then when I first asked the Woodhaven Police Department, when I first got there, they told me it was a stalking charge. I've never stalked anybody. Then now it's a malicious destruction of property, which I'm paying off. That's from another case at Woodhaven that I'm paying off. And I need to pay that ticket off today as well, which is another problem for me, but that's beyond the point. So basically, I'm very confused. My tether got it. I know it's a tether violation, but I don't know. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm not trying to confuse you.
All right, slow down. Just relax.
We're all trying to figure it out together.
Take a deep breath and relax.
I did represent him on the one with the malicious destruction of property. It was a vehicle.
Lisa, there is a note here, malicious destruction of property. It says malicious destruction, signs, bills, or notices. It says he has to Judge Hessen?
Correct.
Yes, I handled that file.
Was he on, is he in custody on that one? I cannot figure out why this gentleman is in custody.
I have a job.
Mr. Elliott, I'm going to straighten it out.
This is crazy.
Thank you. I'm really thankful.
He's working 2 jobs. He's stressed because he's going to lose his job.
I just lost my old job because I got locked up.
All right, settle down. I'm going to help you. Okay? Assuming you need the help or assuming you're deserving of the help.
That's real. Deserving of it is real.
It doesn't look like he's on a tether for Judge Hessen's case, so there should not be a violation for that.
I don't understand this. I just don't understand this.
Hell no.
They're saying it at approximately 6 p.m., 1900 hours, or 7 p.m., I guess that would be, while monitoring the OmniLink software, I noticed the above subject tracing the location of the Woodhaven Police Department. I contacted Woodhaven and did verify the subject was there. This is a sergeant from the sheriff's tether unit. The detainer was emailed that I was notified the subject was at Woodhaven to be fingerprinted. A Third Circuit warrant was found and the subject was put in the EMU writ status. So I don't know what the Third Circuit warrant's on, but that has to be the reason. But I'm just curious as to why they're putting him in front of me on a tether violation when it appears there was none. The subject was in compliance with his curfew at the time of the arrest, unless the tether violation is for violating a law, and that could have happened while he was on bond, and I ordered him not to violate a law. So I'm unclear. Do we have any other indication that this gentleman was picked up on any other case after he was in front of Judge Hessen, actually, for arraignment on February 21 of 23 and up through the present? And I see nothing. But this is not right. Look, they got to be more careful down there. I mean, this guy now, he spent 38 hours in jail. I wouldn't want to spend 38 seconds in jail, let alone 38 hours. Now, he's got himself into trouble, but he still enjoys a presumption of innocence here. And now somebody's going to tell me they can't get the tether back on for a day or 2 or 6, and that isn't right either. So do whatever you got to do. Tell him the judge said He wants this guy fitted with the tether first and foremost right now, as soon as possible, so he can get out of there, because he should not have been in custody for the last 38 hours, as far as I can tell.
Crazy.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm gonna give my sergeant a call right now.
And if they need to talk to me, they can call the court and I'll talk to them, but you got to be careful. Thank you very much, Deputy. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Baldwin.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He lucky, bro.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Elliott. Stay out of trouble, though.
I will, man. I'll talk.
I don't want you to say a word. Stay out of trouble. Don't say a word.
He lucky, bro. He lucky. Locked up for nothing.
You're suing yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm a rare antiquity dealer and artifact dealer. I had an opportunity when I was in Australia to buy a boomerang, and I purchased this boomerang. I stood outside my ranch and I reared back and I threw that boomerang just as hard as I could. Because I didn't have my glasses on, I thought it was one of the ones that wouldn't come back.
No.
Turned around there. And the next thing I know, I'm picking myself up off the ground. So they took me to the hospital. Ever since then, I have had some problems with short-term memory.
Whoa.
Some atrocious headaches, very bad headaches.
Oh, sir, I'm so sorry.
What I'm asking for today is for a ruling for the $150,000 that I've submitted to you up there with the other paperwork from the insurance company, a copy of the receipt for the boomerang, picture of the boomerang.
I have no choice but to rule in your favor. I'm ruling in your favor. This case is adjourned.
Okay.
He sued himself. What the hell?
All right, Nelson Walker.
Yes, ma'am.
There you are. All right, you're charged with stealing a Dolphin jersey.
He got it on? He got it on?
So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended,
That is correct, Your Honor.
Is he driving?
and he was just driving, and he didn't have a license.
He driving right now?
Give me what was stolen.
My wallet.
What was in your wallet?
It was $50.
Okay.
I had to replace all my IDs. I had gift cards in there, my earpiece, and a calculator.
There was no earpiece in there, ma'am.
I love it.
Wow.
Judging for the plaintiff for the amount of $500. That's what I think it's worth, madam. Goodbye.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa.
Hold on a second, honey.
And I'm
in
Dr.
here.
Not Honey.
I'm sorry?
And I'm Dr. McCaffrey and not Honey. Appreciate it.
You were Dr. McCaffrey?
I am indeed.
Would you rather I call you counselor, doctor, or anything else?
How
What do
about
you want me
Dr.
to call you?
McCaffrey, Your Honor? It creates a tone of respect.
Where I'm from, you sort of got to earn that.
Guess what? Where I'm from, you're born with it.
Get out of my courtroom! Get
Pleasure. A pleasure.
Whoa. This is crazy.
You're going to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what are we doing?
To begin, I'd like to just announce a brief summary of the incident that happened.
Pardon?
The incident on October 11th, the reason why I'm here. I would just like to announce a brief summary of what happened.
Okay, that doesn't happen that way. You don't want help?
No.
Okay, next thing you want to do?
Discontinue all hearings until there's substantial evidence on file.
I don't know what discontinue all hearings mean.
I don't know either, Your Honor. I'm
Then
not.
you may want to consider getting an attorney, but I'm going to let you go because you have a constitutional right to do it.
I want to go home and have all charges lifted.
That's not going to happen.
Okay, so
I mean,
what do I got to
going
do?
home is
get...
an option, but the charges aren't going anywhere.
I understand.
You know something, sir? Just because you use what seem to be legal words and try to place them into a sentence doesn't mean that it makes sense.
I understand that, Your Honor.
No, I don't think you do. Who drove here?
My friend.
Is this the guy here? Did he drive?
Sir Raymond. Sir Ronald Raymond Hamilton, the 11th president.
Slow down.
11th president?
What? Hang on a second. Who?
The 11th president to the United States president.
What's his name?
Sir Ronald Raymond Hamilton.
What?
The cousin to the president.
The cousin to the president?
Yeah.
The president of the United States?
Yes, sir.
The president right now?
Yes, sir.
He's shaking his head no. Why is he shaking his head no? If he's not the president, why?
No, he's not president. He's the 11th cousin.
11th cousin.
He's shaking his head no. That he's not the 11th cousin. And honestly, I don't care if he's the brother of the president. It's not going to help you, so I don't need to hear this. What I do want you to know, if you show up for court again drunk, we're going to have a big problem.
Oh.
I'm going to reschedule your case.
He being nice.
Sir, you cannot let her drive. Do you understand?
Defense that could have objected. It's not the state's duty to object to their own witnesses when they're testifying.
Okay. Listen, I've already heard. If you have anything else to say, you can put it in writing at a later time. I've heard from both sides more than once. That's going to be it. I've made my decision. Like I said, 99% of what's been testified to has been appropriate. I do not want to highlight the few things that were said that were perhaps not appropriate, and let's move on.
Judge, I'm asking for 20 seconds back.
You can have as many seconds as you want in writing, and you can put all of your objections in writing. They've been made multiple times from your chief assistant, from Ms. McNeil, and I don't want to hear anything else. I've already heard it. Is there something that has not already been argued?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, exactly what is it?
Judge, before Mr. Schachter took the podium and testified before this court, I wanted to reflect that both Mr. Marcus and Mr. Sass looked at the statement prior to the reading. And so their implicit adoption of what he was saying, of this improper arguments, in the court should check.
Okay, but what you are doing right now is highlighting something and making more of a spectacle. So if your office in general does not want to facilitate or incite violence, then we need to just sit down and move on. That's it. There were 18 witnesses, 16 or 18 witnesses that testified today. There was nothing that was said until Ms. McNeil made her point made, and, you know, we're moving on.
But is the court going to do anything about maybe stopping it from happening again?
When these people are upset about specific things that have gone on from that table, like shooting the middle finger up at this court and laughing and joking, Ms. McNeil, be quiet. When these people have sat in this courtroom and watched this behavior from that table, and they want to say that they're not happy about it, what is the problem?
Judge, I have no problem because I have thick skin. But once you bring in my children, I think that's highly improper. I
didn't even know you have children. I don't know what you're talking about. Your children? What about your children?
For them to comment on my children is highly improper. Before this court to allow that kind of testimony is also improper.
There was, I don't remember any comments about any children. And if there was, it obviously didn't, it came and went without me noticing it.
Judge, I can assure you that if they were talking about your children, you would definitely notice it.
You need to sit down right now. You're out of line. In fact, you're excused. You need to go sit in the back with your chief public defender.
He's the public defender, Judge.
Mr. Weeks, please ask the lawyer from your office to go sit down and not say anything else.
Wow.
To try to threaten my children and bring up my children is inappropriate. Go to the back of the room now. That just violated about every rule of professional responsibility that I have never. If you're going to get up here and you're going to...
Judge, I asked you to go sidebar on this matter.
You, sidebar or not, you don't have one of your assistant public defenders say something about my children?
Judge, that same venom that the court is expressing is the same venom that defense counsel had to sit through this entire morning when their children
She brought up her children multiple times during the trial. Nobody knows if I'm barren or not. They don't know about my children.
Judge.
Sit down. Sit down.
Judge.
Sit down, Mr. Weeks.
Please do not summarily dismiss me.
I'm summarily dismissing
I'm asking
you.
the
Go
court.
sit down.
I'm asking the court. I asked the court to go sidebar.
Go sit down. You don't threaten the
Judge,
Court's children.
everyone
Your
in this
assistant just
courtroom-
did that. Go sit down.
No one in this courtroom had to endure what we had to
Go
endure.
sit down. Ms. McNeil has made her children a spectacle more than once during this trial. That was her choice. You have absolutely no right to have one of your assistants come up here and suggest something about my children. Now, please go sit down.
Judge.
You're inappropriate and out of line.
He not listening
Go
either.
sit down.
Judge, may I have a brief recess?
No. Go sit down.
May I have a brief recess so I can speak to my attorneys?
We're moving on with the sentencing, Mr. Weeks.
So I can have a brief recess?
No.
Thank you.
It's 1:36. Thank you. State, go ahead and call your next witness.
Dang.
Mr. Anthony Montalto.
She was not having that.
Right? You just want them to speed up the process.
No,
I think
not
you looking-
him. It's not his fault. He's a judge. They supposed to be.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's right. Nothing is my fault.
No, yes, it's not.
That's right. I know.
Amen. So I'm saying, I'm just trying to, sir, live my life. I normally work the carnival shows. I have really been disciplined for not being aware of to show up. I'm not dumb enough not to show up again. And I'm not ignorant enough not to show up in front of Judge Simpson's courtroom again.
I think he is saying that he would show up to court next time. He's asking for a PR bond.
Yes, I am, sir.
If the court would not provide a PR bond at this time, if the court would allow an interview to take place, if that interview takes place, then the court provide a PR bond.
I never said that. I asked, could you please provide a PR bond? And I will.
I addressed this the last time you were here.
I think they're going to keep you in.
All right, man. You're fired.
Oh, shit.
And thank you, Your Honor.
Bro, what is happening?
You are not allowed to call him, text him, email him. You are to stay 500 feet from him at all times. Ma'am, you're getting a second chance on this case. I don't particularly feel like keeping an 80-year-old woman in the jail who has no criminal record. All right?
I haven't bothered him for 31 years. Why would I bother him now?
That's the $63,000 question, ma'am.
I swear to God and all that's holy on a stack of Bibles, I will never go near him, talk to him, call him.
Ma'am, have you ever thought of doing a stand-up routine? Have you ever thought of that?
I did. Well, if you pay me good money, sweetheart, I'll be there. I'm really short of funds.
You seem like you have a great wit about you. How have I done as a judge today? So far, how am I doing?
Not bad, but you could do better.
Okay. You brighten my day, ma'am. All right?
That's what the last guy said. And then he sued me.
Damn. Good funny old lady. She did some fuck shit though.
This is you know what? No.
What's the holdup? It's trespassing.
Pardon?
I don't understand what the holdup is. It's trespassing.
What do you mean what the holdup is?
This is it's an arraignment, right? Or a preliminary exam?
No. You're not charged with a felony, so it's not a preliminary examination.
Right.
You were arraigned in this on July 24th. They set this date. Your attorney hasn't been able to talk to you about the cases at all.
Okay.
So I'm trying to give, I can set it for 2 weeks out.
Yeah.
But the problem.
I'm tired of the state. I'm ready to leave this state as soon as possible. It's trespassing. I could technically leave and you guys could issue a warrant as long as I don't return. You can kiss my. This is.
You know what? No. I'm going to tell you what. You don't come in here.
Oh.
Okay. That's contempt. That's 93. That's another 3. That's another 93. That's another 93. That's another.
Wow.
That's 693s consecutive.
Ooh. Bro, you better stop playing. Shit.
Excuse me, the lady. Excuse me. You come forward. Yes, come. No. Come forward. First of all, why are you in this court in shorts?
Damn.
I'm sorry. I was just, I don't know. I've never really been in court.
All right. Second of all, turn your phone over to the deputy. Do not close it. Deputy Laura, if you'll delete whatever photo she took, please. All right. Who are you taking photos of?
Oh, I was just letting my daughter know my son was okay and that he.
No, my question is, who are you taking photos of? All right. So, Deputy Laura, if you put her in cuffs, since you want to be next to her son and put her in the box.
I apologize, ma'am. I
appreciate your apology.
I didn't know.
All right.
Put your photos picture up.
Wow.
And who is Rick in the box?
He's with Charles Monk.
All right. Well, I'm sure Charles Blunt will come back and take care of you. But for now, you're going to be in the box.
Dang. Bro, yeah, can't be playing in that courtroom, man.
Before Cargyle returns to jail, she makes a subtle gesture towards the camera.
Who are you telling you love?
And the judge takes notice.
Did she just violate the court's order of no contact? Sit back down.
Oh, snap.
It appears Cargyle mouthed, "I love you," twice. Perhaps in the direction of her boyfriend.
Who are you just mouthing "I love you" to?
No, I was just saying that I'm about ready to go.
No,
like I'm about done.
Ma'am, I can replay the tape.
Ooh.
Okay. I love you. Who are you speaking to?
I love my lawyer.
Who do you love? Who did you?
My lawyer. Like for having my back today.
He looking like.
Come on.
Like I like him.
Okay, so you love your attorney, you like
yes,
and you are mouthing to your attorney, to Mr. Paul, "I love you."
I was actually saying it to the guard as I got up.
You were saying it towards the camera as you got up.
I was like,
okay, stop, Mr. Lane. Is the co-defendant on here?
Judge, he's on here.
All right. Is Owen Solomon your boyfriend of 5 years?
Yes, Your Honor, he is.
And you didn't know he was on here?
I can't see. There's a lot of different people up on the screen, and you were the big one.
You were the big one.
Okay.
I was literally talking to the CO.
No, I don't buy that. You were looking at the screen. Your mouthing was very clear. See, this is why I can't trust you to have a bond modification. You just burnt some serious bridges on credibility with the court because you just showed me you don't have respect for the court. You don't have respect for your attorney, even though you claim he's the one you love. In any event, go ahead and leave. Go with the jail now.
Damn.
And just
thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Cargyle was later released on her $45,000 bond and has yet to enter a plea. If found guilty, she's facing up to 33 years in prison. As for Solomon, he was charged with possession of narcotics, possession with intent to use drug paraphernalia, and other drug-related charges. If found guilty, he's facing up to 11.5 years in prison.
Wow.
Both Cargyle and Solomon's cases are pending.
33 years? 33 years and you in there playing?
If you are cheating, she is divorcing you.
Yes.
Are you okay with that?
I mean, I don't want to get no divorce, but if that's what, what we got to do, that's what we got to do.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Are you willing to do whatever it takes to stay with her?
No.
That is crazy.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Count one will be 10,000.
Whoa.
Come back again.
In February 2013 in Miami, a female high school student named Penelope Soto was arrested for illegally possessing contraband. The morning of the 4th of February, Soto appeared in court for her bond hearing.
What do you own?
I own a lot of jewelry, all right.
How much would you say your jewelry is worth?
You just made me laugh. I apologize.
It's all right. How much is your jewelry worth?
It's worth a lot of money.
Like what?
Like, it's worth money.
As we can see, when Soto first entered the courtroom, she kept playing with her hair, smiling constantly, and acting in a flirtatious and careless manner.
We are not in a club. Be serious about it.
I'm serious about it.
You're
You
being
just
very.
made me
I can
laugh.
see you're serious, all right.
The judge eventually had enough and told Soto to take the hearing more seriously.
Have you had any kind of drugs in the last 24 hours?
Actually, no.
Soto then made an exaggerated facial expression and told the judge that she had not taken any drugs in the past 24 hours.
Actually, no.
Judge, I'll make it easy for the court, respectfully. I was limited this time.
At that point, the public defender standing beside her also seemed frustrated and asked the judge if he could speak on Soto's behalf.
I don't know where you're going to appoint you because you own a lot of substantial amounts of jewelry. You can go and sell your jewelry. Count one will be 5,000 per hour cost found.
Wow.
Count two will be ROR.
The judge ultimately set Soto's bond at $5,000.
Why they be playing in court, bro?
Bye-bye.
Adios.
After the judge told Soto goodbye, Soto smiled and replied, adios. Adios comes from Spanish and also means goodbye. However, when used toward an opponent or authority figure, it can sometimes carry a sarcastic or disrespectful tone, almost like saying good riddance or see you never. As the judge watched Soto walking away, he decided to teach her a lesson and called her back.
Count one will be 10,000. I am serious. Adios.
The judge immediately doubled her bond, increasing it from $5,000 to $10,000. Soto instantly froze in shock, her mouth dropping open.
Wow.
Come back again.
Then she turned around, raised her middle finger toward the judge, cursed at him, and stormed out of the courtroom.
Come back again.
What's up?
I believe I heard you saying to...
Yes, I did. I'm not going to the...
I believe you... Did you say...
Yes,
me?
actually, I
Did you say that?
Yes, sir, I did.
Oh, you did say that? I find you in direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.
After being called back a second time, Soto made no attempt to deny insulting the judge. She openly admitted what she had done. The judge then found Soto in contempt of court and sentenced her to 30 days in jail. 4 days later, Soto returned to court with her family and attorney to formally apologize.
My behavior was very irrational, and I apologize not only to the court and you, but to my family.
Ms. Soto, I really do hope that you learn your lesson.
Because she was a first-time offender, admitted she had been under the influence of drugs at the time, agreed to enter a rehabilitation program, and sincerely apologized to the court. The judge withdrew the $10,000 bond increase. He also dismissed the contempt charge and ordered her immediate release.
Wow. Wow. You gotta, the judge, hey, respect him.
Money. Otis, let me tell you something, Otis. Because you kept calling my phone today about the same thing. I don't play with it. Why is you recording me? Man, I need my money. You just broke my TV. I need my 400. I don't want no chicken. I try to apologize for you and stuff like that, but now you piss. Man, you got all the bumps on your face.
He hit me hard, Judge.
Hit me hard.
I had to go to the hospital. He hit me hard. You see how he assaulted me with that chicken?
I'm not going to let y'all go no further with this chicken junk.
I never seen him turn down chicken.
I done told y'all I'm done with this chicken. I'm not going to do this anymore. I'm not going to let you embarrass yourselves, your family, your community, nor me.
He talking about eat bone, Judge. I do eat the bone, though. But I'm talking about my TV.
So what was different about that day?
I eat the guasa.
The bone?
I eat the bone, the guasa, all that. But I ain't talking about no chicken. I'm talking about my $400. Stop talking about chicken, the judge say. We talking about the $400. I need my $400.
This man, his 400. I don't care what you say.
I need my $400. I'm trying to watch TV.
You can think what you want and be mad as you want. I'm giving this man his 400. What else you want?
In 2000, he assaulted me with the chicken.
What's that for?
Assassination.
Assassination.
I had to go to the hospital.
Assassination.
Do you have a doctor's?
Yes, I have everything.
Are you went to this doctor for real?
Yes.
What page is that on? I don't even want to go and revisit that bird, but what did you tell? Did you actually tell the doctors that happened?
Yes, I did.
Lord.
You're right. I'm saying because when he hit me with the chicken, I had to go to the hospital because you know I don't got no neck. I only got head and shoulder.
What?
So I had to go check on my neck too.
It's fine.
Andrew, you ain't no talk. I need my money, Judge.
We didn't get a chance to eat it anyway.
You know I only got head and shoulder, Judge. Look at me.
We didn't get a chance.
Look at me.
Head and shoulder.
So I had to go check on my shoulder and my neck.
He said,
after I married you, Honor, she started stealing my ATM cards. No, he did. Started stealing my... You Honor, God, no one's there but her and I. Who took my money? I don't know.
Listen, Your Honor,
I don't know.
Your Honor,
Figure it out.
May I? Cause I'm gonna keep it real with you. You know what? I took his money. He don't give me nothing. He don't give me nothing. And you know what, Your Honor? When I take it, I let him know I took it. Wow. Yeah, I let him know. Because he don't give me nothing. Because he go out there with them good girls and think he ain't gonna give me nothing. I take it. Yeah, I take it. What kind of girls? Good girls. What are those good girls? Community girls. You know how when it rained and before it rained and they come out like ants. You know how ants get together, thousands of ants? Right. Or the first and the third when them good girls in our community know a man got some money money, they gonna prey on them just like that. And that's what they do. But you know what I tell them? What? You're not getting next to my husband. You better take your shoes for a walk. That's what I tell them. Yes, that's what I tell them.
Mr. Black, she says she had to take the money.
I take it and go take it again.
Wow.
Anytime he lay it down. Anytime he lay it down, I'm gonna take it again.
Were you not giving her money? Were you not letting her have something to spend?
Nothing.
Your Honor, I saved up $20,000 and I invested in a janitorial service. So, Mrs. Todd or Mrs. Black.
Miss Todd, MZ period. Todd.
So she can have some type of income. This is for her. Miss Todd stole the $20,000.
I didn't steal it, I took it. I keep telling him it's a difference. And I let him know I took it.
Well, explain to me the difference between your stealing and taking the $20,000.
When you steal, you just steal it and play it off like you ain't got it. I take it and wake them up and tell them I done took it.
All right, squad, that was another TikTok compilation, bro. That was some crazy court moments. If you made it this far, you a real one for real. Make sure you put that in the comments, bro. But some of them judges was really nice people, though. Was really nice people. They gave them shots and opportunities, and so shout out to some of them judges in there, bro. They was nice. They was nice. You don't get a nice judge all the time, but shout out to them. But like I said, you made it this far, you a real one for real, man. I got a TikTok playlist you can binge watch, but proceed with caution. Until next time, self-love and positivity. Fire Squad, I got you and you know it.